Omuchicho mwishengero ahabwa abantu bakira municipality Ochinsa Ibrahim Semujunganda yahereza enshonga ahabwa enchatatire mukono ahachandiko echa.
The money for which the censor motion is being signed was passed by Parliament. I sit on the Committee on Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. You need to ask the chairperson of that committee and vice if in April 2023 they did not pass that money.
Aganagand Omugarukosi.
Kurukayo ometwe yitu yagarukosia ikirizanga kuretero mbujire ndi Eva Sakankwasa twatantiraho murembo rwitu rwambara kandi amukozi witu mgenzi witu arukumanyanka MCADB Ogwen Edison Talema orukora program ya Gospel Vimba Algeria yereka okushemerwa kwamani bwanyuma yo kurugayo akahewa akasimwa abaviga award n'abanyayuganda abamterira karuru okuba omunyamakuru w'omwaka kandi tiyakomaho yabasakwana shabanya Uganda n'abandi abakozi bari omitongore bitarumwe namwe okureba kango bashajikana omuringo gwona ngobwe ndwe harabe empinduka omekore yona katubirebe
enkora birungi burizo bizimurwa kandi ngaro zihanu zo zakira omuntu kakore kirungi omusima kandi omuhereza n'ekembo bwanyuma yo kumara imyaka mwenda Owekitinisa Talemwa Edison ariyo mu kiti cy'ebyamakuru ojete media industry asandeji arigiriyo kandi yahibwa ekembo bamuhereza ekirabo okujyanwe munyamakuru asingireyo gukora ebintu birungi ebirukushemeza nuko kumuhereza na n'ekembo ekya media personality of the year.
Now the winner of the year, best media personality, Eddie.
Kaptera Karuru. Nyoka sanga hubi, yuna kilo.
Edwin Yanamukwasa Award. Wonka award ejin na nyemiza contributing na 10%. Utamburu moto na batajugira umana.
Omwami Talemwa Edison wabinji barukweta MCADB the Entertainer arukuhereza programu ya Gospel Vimba TV Rwiguga erukusinga yo bahango muri burenge bwizoba obwa Uganda yabakweta Good News Television abinje mu rukumanyanka GNTV abanyayuganda barigereyo bareba emirimo yakozere bagira ngwashimiye kubana atunga ekihembo
Brazil
EDB rwa kurunjo mu mugwawe kama no manya ya patiko kanda byanje.
Wow, kene sawa kitwale kubaini baje kwa naloni.
Thank you so much. Hallelujah. By MCADB the Entertainer kugaha GNTV nibasiba abantu bamwe bari kutero ururu bwe bari Vika Arts bwe bari Nonga abajiri ururu mwena mukaba bahama motoka
abale ho nabataru.
Yes.
Thank
you so much Vika Arts. Thank you so much everyone. But thank you so much for appreciating me.
Amen.
Kama mwena bahama motoka mwena.
Erizoba omunyamakuru witu yatungaho mugisha gw'amani munonga ugambaho na Talemwa Edison wabinji barukweta MCADB the Entertainer yargeyo no kuwereka okushemerwa kwe arukusima mukamarahanga abo kugira ngo ahikira kwangura ekirabo nico kimwe
n'amashemerwa mingi munonga kushanga ninye natorimwe kushanga ninye kwebembera aba presenters bona ba Western Uganda ningashi media personality of the year nisima kuyo muweno wa vote ngire mukama komugisha Vika Awards abareseze mpaka mu Western Uganda. Thank you so much also uyu mu wa vote ngire kushobora mukama kwimotoka mu basima nito tubine award aba GNTV media personality of the year MCADB the Entertainer.
MCADB the Entertainer yargeyo no kusima abanyayuganda bona abarije bakareba emirimo yakozire bakamuhereza hamwe na karuru na no kumusima kugira ngo abe no yaba media personality of the year. Taremwa Edison abinji barukweta MC Edb the Entertainer tiyakomaho yasaba abanyamakuru batahibe hamwe nabo abarukora ibikushemeza abantu bete media personalities okugira ngo batekemo gumisiriza kandi bagume beyikirizemo na n'ikindi ngo bagume besagice nubwo barashike aha buhanguzi.
Message y'ikwereza abantu aba media, it's one okuba creative, okusama ninji kandi stay focused. Umukintu cyo gukora cyona yongera kupushinga or giving up in whatever that you are doing. No kwika one day one time you beno hangura or beno achieving up cyo cyo wa dreaming jire. Yes, that's the way to go. Nimba simira kimwe n'abantu mwe Viga Awards. Thank you so much. See you next year 2025 or tukuje kugaruka mu pakezi. I don't know kama yati imani zigaruka mu 2025 but hey, me I'm ready to win. Wani nkahi obanichi buramuhona bo wininga mpaka media personality of the year.
Now the winner of the year.
The winner of the year, best media personality, Eddie B.
Nyokasanga hubi nyonakire
utambura moto natajubira
Ndikirintoni nawe mjomba hamwe na aliho open omurembo rwambarara
Wabare mnonga kandi no kongera kurisyayo omukozi mutahi witu Edb awokutunga chembo cy'ekirungi mnonga kandi twakumizamo amakuru agandi ebikwatirine na n'enshonga zo kubinga ba commissioner omwishengero zikiriyo nizeyongereyo kuranda na mbwenu oyebembire ekitiseeki oryo myishengero orukujwekera barw'emiyaga ogwe no kitinisa Theodore Sechkubo erizoba yargaye abasako banashoma amazina g'abanyishengero ababase kubana bahandika ningo kusayininga aha rupapura orukuhamya ng'ubuzima ba commissioner babase kubana babingwa ahabo kuri ekituga cyamane. Reka turebe uko byagenda.
Dear members of the Bamasaba, we have the Honorable Karim Masaba, the MP Industrial Division. We have the Honorable Wanda Richard, the MP Bungoko Central. We have the Honorable Wandwasi Robert, the MP Bungoko North. We have the Honorable Mude Isaac, the MP Rusheshe. We have the Honorable Galiwango Koni, the woman member of Parliament, Mbale City. We thank you. For Manafwa, we have the Honorable Musira John of Bugulo East. We go to Bududa District. We have the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, who is having us, but I would propose he has signed, but we needed his physical presence here because we don't want to have any other way out. We have Honorable, we have in Lango, Dokoro County, we have the Honorable Aguti Sala, the Dokoro District Woman Member of Parliament. And we have Otuke District, Honorable Abeja Susan Jolie, Otuke District. We have Honorable Paul Omara, the Member of Parliament of Otuke County. And we go to Apache District. The Honorable Betty Engora, Apache District. The Honorable Okero Nelson, Maluzi North County. Now we go to Amorata. We have Honorable Olobo James, Kyoga North. We have the Honorable Dr. Agnes Atim Apea, the woman member of Parliament, Amorata District. In Kole, we have Honorable Ochen Peter, the Member of Parliament, Kole South. Now, Oyamu District, we have the Honorable Dr. Eunice or appeal the Member of Parliament of Oyam South. We have Lira District, Honorable Jonathan Odul, the Member of Parliament, Erute South. In Kwanya District, Kwanya we have Honorable Auma Kenny, the Member of Parliament for Kwanya District. In Bukedi Sub-Region, in Busia, we have the Honorable Nyangweso Dennis. He's the Member of Parliament for Samia Bugwe Central. We have the Honorable Omkol Sam, the Member of Parliament, Palisa County. We have, Otkol South. Okay. In Palisa. Okay. He's Honorable Otkol Samuel Sam. I beg your pardon. In Tororo, we have Honorable Sarah Opendi, the District Woman Member of Parliament, Tororo. We have Budaka District, Honorable Kasoro Robert, the Member of Parliament, in Kibuku District. We have the Honorable Minister Namiyangu K. Jennifer, the Woman Member of Parliament, Kibuku District. In West Nile, we have Nebi District. We have the Honorable Otimugwiu Isaac, the Member of Parliament for Padiere County, Nebi. In Arua, we have Honorable Etuka Isaac Joaquin, the Member of Parliament for Apamadi in Arua. In Yumbe, we have the Honorable Arion Yok Odria, the Member of Parliament, Aringa South, Yumbe District. We have Honorable Onzima, the MP, Aringa North, Yumbe. We have the Maracha District, Honorable Oguzili Dennis of Maracha County. We have the Honorable, we have in Obongi District, the Honorable Maneno Zumla, the Member of Parliament for Obongi District, the Honorable Boka D. George, the Honorable MP Obongi.
Nabwe twagumizamo tukirya hanshonga z'ababasekwana batemukona hacandikwa ekyo oryo myishenjero wa municipali eyakira Gwen Honorable Semujunganda yargayo yarahiragira ngutarije kubanateka umukona hacipapura cyo kubingabo commissioner ngwabo kube sente ziba kugira ngo bakashimankura ngo ezo sente bakazihinguza omuyishenjero ngo nahabwe ekyo takureba enshonga eri kutuma nabatuntuza ba commissioner abo katubirebe.
Wanyuma y'abakomishona b'ishengero rya Uganda kurge bakegabira agasende bari kugira ngo obwo nakasimo ngo akore birungi aine kubana zimurwa bakargayo kandi bayegabira sente izabenzingana miliyoni 5 bari kugira ngo bakozire ekintu kirungi munonga wenu okwihobwo abanyishengero bembirwe wekitinisa Theodoro Sechikuo uno munyishengero warwe miyaga bakargayo batandikaho ehuru yo kugira ngo bine kubana babinga ba commissioner ba parliament aba abayigabira akasente ngwakubogwe no muri ngo gumwe go kuryamu enguzi mukane kindi no kushisha esente zo muhi omusoro wenu abanyishengero bingi abarukwingana iganana na 5 bakargayo batekaho omukono akipapure kinchichi cyo kubinga ba commissioner ba parliament kunkabanyishengero bo bazora bra government abamwe bacyangire kusayininga ikipapure ki obuto abantu gamba ho no munyishengero wa municipal yakira owekinisa Semujunganda Ibrahim oguyargayo no kutsobora mutaka basa futeka mukono akipapure ki akube sentezi zikahinguzibwa ishengero ryiteri rya Uganda.
Ensonga ziri 2 esoka sentezo zayisibwa parliament naye okufaananako n'ensimbi endala nnyingi abaka ba palamenti nalyo nabamu nga banyiigidde Nsemunju yagambye nti bali ignorant. Babuuze ku bajeti y'omwaka guno, babuuze nti bajeti ya parliamentary commission oba bajeti y'ekitongole kirala kyonna ziri sente mmeka zigenda kusaasanyizibwa ku biki. Kino kyekigenda okutuyambamu Katonda atusaasire okuva olwaliro abaka ba palamenti balanga batunuulidde bajeti bagiwe obudde ate basome bye bategeera bye bayisa. Komiti ya Legal and Parliamentary Affairs ndi member wa komiti eyo nekoolo saaliyo April 2023 ena chairman ena n'omumyuka n'ababaka ne minutes weeziri nga batudde olunaku Parliamentary Commission lwe yaleeta budget mubabuuze oba sente ezo tebaziyisanga.
Honorable Ssemujju Nganda tiyakomaho yateekaho n'okurahira ngu tari kwiza kutensa aha kintu eki noba kukitwara mu ishengyero lya Uganda tari kwiza kukigambaho kandi naiza n'okuba atariho izo barabaza kukiteekayo ari aba atariho n'okubaho.
So n'olwekyo nze ensonga esooka nti sente zino zaayisibwa Parliament erina okwetunuulira mu butya bw'eba eyisa budget oba ewaayo obudde. Ekyokubiri nze nga Ssemujju ne bwe zaalibadde nga tezaayisibwa Parliament tulina amateeka agatufuga ku nkomerero yaago galina gye bayita code of conduct. Bwe wajjawo ensonga oba erimu wa Luganda oba erimu wa mukwano code of conduct zigamba nti gwe ngotegeeza Parliament ensonga eno sijja kusobola kugitambuza bulungi. Omu kwabo be bavunaana mukwano gwange okumala ebbanga ddene kino agenda bane mu nsonyiwe sijja kusobola kubeera mu enkanya mu nsonga eno ngenda kugibeera bweru waayo. Parliament yonna ne bwe naateekako emikono ogwange tegujja kubaako nere banagiteesako mu Parliament sigenda kubeerayo ku lw'eyo ensonga. So ekyo njagala buli omu akiwa ekitiibwa.
Kandi we oryo mu ishengyero w'ishaza erya Nakaseke y'amashuma ow'ekitinisa Honorable Ssemakula Rutamaguzi wakarigayo yateekaho omukono kutaba turiyo ntumbuuza aha nsonga y'ise Ssemujju Nganda yarigayo n'okugamba yagira ngu ebyo we takwenda kubumanya omuntu oryo muri w'enguzi omushomankuzi takwenda n'okumureeba mu maisho gye ngu mbwenu bakomishona abo biine kutaaha.
He said, yes, you have converged here, but the thieves are here. Including where he was talking about corruption. His thieves were surrounding him. Why, if he knows the thieves, why can't he arrest those thieves? Because he knows that once he arrests those thieves, government will collapse there and then. There is no way this NRM government can survive when you have already taken away the thieves, because they are very big. They are the ones who finance campaigns. Now that campaigns are in the corner, they are looking for every corner where they can steal money through these institutions. Because if the head of state, you know, for a long time, because you have intelligence, that these huge sums are embezzled by Parliament and then finance, what have you done to those people? I am yet to see these people to be taken to prison or to be apprehended by the state, because he has all forces that can apprehend those thieves. But
abandi banyishengyero barigayo no kukitera enshumi bari kugira ngu abanyishengyero aba baza kubingwa bine kubanza kuleta obujurizi bwingi munonga kandi bakerekana no okubayehire sente zo nkonka ekyo kwabinga batine bujurizi cyo tikikireho nakache.
All monies under the law, all monies which are approved there in Parliament, they are approved by the executive in cabinet. Recently we approved the supplementary for Magola, we approved money for Tiak, we approved money for Bana project. The ministers came with the cabinet position on the amount. There is no single figure we increased. Instead, we have reduced. That is on record because government did not show us the sources of the money. So when you are reducing the amount of money, then how does it come that now I have added? Under the Constitution, the rules of procedure, MPs have no power to increase the resource beyond the ceiling that has been set. We can only reduce and do the internal reallocation. So if there is money, which is put, like for the Atiak Sugar Works, and we see that a health center in a district like Mitiana, there is a crisis. There's no maternity wing. We will remove part of that money for Atiak and put for Mitiana to put up a health center and put up maternity. That's the only power we have, and that's what we do. Yes, the parliamentary image is hitting it. There's a wave. We are under attack. the only way we can redeem the image of Parliament is by sticking to the truth and explaining to the public, and sticking to our role and responsibility as MPs.
Ahabwa GNTV agarukotya Ndikirinton nahabwe mjomba.
Kandi twagumzamo okuzo mu Rainbow rwa Kampala abekibine cya NUP barigire batongoza ishemero hereje kubana rubangura abahagizi bacyo bimeshonga zara zimwe na zimwe kandi muri yezo harimo no kumanya ebyo butegeki bwihangari ya Uganda. Ishemereri ritibwaho muri kamocha mu Rainbow rwa Kampala kandi rukwebembere kibineki owekitinisa Sentamu obenji bakumanyanga Bobi Wine agire yashaba abantu bona okurengo baye jumbera omukubango rwoko katubirebe
Nkomulingo gumwe gwo kubutura hamwe no kutungura ebyo butegeki omuyihangari yitweri erya Uganda ekibina kimwe butegeki ekyoro bazorabara government ekya National Unity Platform ochete NUP ekizereyo kugira abanyishengero abo bazorabara government yo bwahati omuyishengero rya Uganda cyargayo no kutongozaho ishomero eriyo kushomesa ebyo butegeki hamwe no kubasa kubutura hamwe na no kubangura abebembezi okuba kubasa kwebembera ebyanga byabo na no kuba kubasa kwega okhereza ebyanga byabo oba bariyo nibigura itendekereri omuri kamocha ayabandize ekitebe ekikuru ekyekibine kya National Unity Platform mukuru w'ekibine ki owekitinisa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu yargayo no kugambiraho abanyarwanda hamwe nabo enkunzi z'ekibina kya National Unity Platform abahagizi hamwe nabo abebembezi ariko bashobora ngweki ni kimwe aha bintu ebyakubasa kuretera ihangari ya Uganda yagira abebembezi barungi banyesya batari kwejumbera mu buri bwenguzi barukunda ihangari ryabo hamwe na nebyanga byabo eba kubana bazwekera.
So tuine subi basebo ne banyabo tibe tujja bifuna mu somero lino era abanafe abanaba abavude mu somero lino bajja kuba nga basobola tukiikirira era nga basobola kuba ba ambassador baffe ngoba NUP alabikirawo mu bikolwa ne mu njogera ebyo tetwagala bitebereza butebereza wabula twagala tubigirize bannaffe n'oyo atuuka n'ava ku mulamwa gwaffe nga tasobola kwekanga oba kwebuzaabuza mulabye abakulembeze bangi naddala bakansala bagamba omanyize n'abadde sinnawe simanyi byakukola kaakati twagala tubayigirize ekyokukola ogende eri abantu webuzeebuze nti obadde tomanyi kyakukola nga bamanyi wayigirizibwa olwo bakusabule gw'olimanya ky'olibawa
obuyaba ariyo nabashobora omukwigura ishomereri na nitendekero wekitinisa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu yargayo no kwabara abanyarwanda hamwe n'abembezi utireho nabo engunze kibina cya National Unity Platform ari kugira ngo buri omwe ashimire kuba namanya omwanya gwari kuba nakora omuyihanga rya Uganda hamwe na nenamba yari kuba nazana umwebembezi bw'ihanga rya Uganda Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu yargayo no kwabara abona mubize bezumbere omukibina cya National Unity Platform kandi baze no mwishomero ryabo rya National Unity Platform ngo akubabo nibenda kushomesa abanyarwanda okukunda ihanga ryabo okuchena obuli benguzi hamwe no kubinjira kimwe omuyihanga rya Uganda hamwe no kubutura emehereze ya government hamwe n'emikore yayo hamwe no kora abantu babo abahansi
twasoka ku transforminga abo abaliwo ababanda abaliwo abamu balaba tebakyalina malasi abalamu balaba bakyusa entambula bakyusa n'empisa bitwatandikirako bannaffe wano we twasinziira era Katonda olw'ekisa kye n'okukola kwammwe naddala abakulembeze baffe abaka ba paliamenti n'abalala twasobola okufuna ekitebe ekipya naye era twakola okusalawo nti wano tusigazeewo ng'entandikwa yaffe ate tutransformingewo tufuulewo ebbanguliro oba essomero ery'obukulembeze ekirowoozo ekyo tubadde nga tukizimba ebbanga lyonna twebaza Katonda nti olunaku lwaleero atusobozeseza okukituukako kya kitiibwa nnyo okulaba nti olwaleero tuli mu kugulawo essomero lyaffe lino si just essomero wabula kabonero ak'essuubi lye tulina era lye tulina okwongera okussa mu bantu essuubi ery'okukyusa eggwanga lyaffe
mbwenu weryo mugambirizi w'ekibina eki ekya National Unity Platform kandi omunyishengero w'ishasa erya Nakawa kandi karukuzo mwishengero rya Uganda rwo mukuru worubazora habara government oishinisa Joel Senyonyi yargayo no kuhabara abanya-Uganda kugira ngo bizebezumbire omukwega mwe no kubangurwa otiyeho no kutendekwa ombyo butegeki bw'ihanga rya Uganda ari kugira ngo nubwo bwire abanya-Uganda bizebezumbire ombyo butegeki bari kumanyagiye kurungi kandi ebatendekirwe hamwe na nebyo ebashomesibwe ebabangwirwemu ngwakuba Uganda rukwiza nenda abantu abaruko batendekirwe ababangwirwe mukandi ekibaru kumanya Uganda neiza kwangayangashana
sofenga NUP tomdola bataddewo NUP School of Leadership sobole okuyiga era okuyiga tekuliko komo tulinawo tukana ogamba nti kakati go bimanyi nnyo abo otandise okwonooneka soboli ku level ki fenna tusigala tuyiga so tubakubiriza tujenga nga tuyitiddwa okuyiga fenna tuyigira awamu era nga bw'oyiganga ne banno basomesa.
We Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu ori mukuru w'ekibiina ekyo kya National Unity Platform yargaye n'okusoborera ngu ishomerere erbargayo bakombeka hamwe n'okwiguraho nicyo kintu kyo bakubasa kutwera ihanga rya Uganda bari kugenderera ebyo butegeki kandi nikiza kukora munonga mu ihanga rya Uganda.
Tuguddewo essomero lino mu kaseera akakulu ennyo mu byafaayo bya Uganda. Mwina mujjukira tiwabeerangawo essomo lye bayita political education ng'era abayizi n'abatandika obutandisi basobola okumanya ebikwata ku ggwanga lyabwe naye kubanga gavumenti ya Mwai Museveni yagala nnyo okukuumira abantu mu butamanya political education bamuweera masomero. Kale n'essomero lino kwe kulinga okusonda kwaffe nga NUP era eggwanga lyaffe okujjuza ery'ebbanga eyo gaapu ebaddewo ey'obutamanya era tulina essuubi nti essomero lino terijja kusomesa busomesa abantu wabula lijja kuteekawo ennono eyo kireetere n'abantu abalala si abali wano bokka ne mu bibiina ebirala byonna ne mu nteekateeka endala zonna okuyigiriza abannayuganda abanaaba mu nteekateeka ezo ebikwata ku ggwanga lyabwe naki ekituufu ekkola ki ekikyamu ekirina obutakolebwa. Twagala basebo ne banyabo abakulembeze okubayigiriza okuzimbira ekkuuli ebikyamu obulyake obubbi okwegwanyiza obulimba n'obutali bwesimbu. Ebyo byonna twagala tubibayigirize wabeewo nga tewali ayinza kwekwasa nti teyabiyiga.
Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Clinton nahabwe mujomba.
Webali mnonga Clinton agongoto atino mu kiweka cy'isi cyo kubanza ikiriza tuhumureho ntugarukane kiweka cya kabiri.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Bigodi Ruamwansha Bishosi Nebichwege Bichetoride King of Kings Church Nafbak Hamuna Barisaba Kamwenje Bakureta Bishops for Jesus Crusade Hamuna Conference Kurgebira Request Abna Mushanshu Mpaka Abna Mwenda Yokwa Mukaga Enkumibira Abnena Omuri Bishosi Trading Center Enyuma ya Petro Station Ebyona byebembirwa Bishop Dr. Saina Sayibwa akwatanisi n'abahereza nka Pastor Rusna Skunda Joseph Kamagala Bishop Abel Kanyankole Bishop Tinomushunikazi Pastor Omgurusi Katongore hamwe n'abandi binji obwo tafirwa bagambi bebembi bashobirwe Evangelist Gibson Twatise, Evangelist Gilbert Kwenda, Pastor Joshua Israel, Reverend Mwebesa Jimmy hamwe n'abandi binji abeshongozi bebembirwe Lady Diana hamwe n'abandi binji kurugabiro bikwese abina mushanzo mpaka abina mwenda byo kwa mukaga 2024 turyo muri Bishops Trading Center enyuma ya petrol station kurugasheshe tuzakasheshe mpaka shayibiri zeciro ebyona bihagirwa GNTV releasing Kingdom Life murete buga ebiteta ebifamatu n'abantu bone bashobirwe mukama koro mu rumagwe.
People of Mbarara, Chirhura, Ivanda, Isinjo, and the Western Region, and Romac Ministries and Charis Bible College brings you Charis Hybrid School in Mbarara. Oh yes, Charis Bible College, new branch in the heart of Mbarara City. To register, please call 0200 330 000 or visit our website at charisuganda.net. Come experience the unconditional love and grace of God through the Word. See you there.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Nagaruka mu cyeka kitu cya kabiri uryo muwezi wo mujwekerwa wa mukuru w'ihanga omuyangeri ya Uganda abo rembo rwambara ubwo no wekitinisa Paul Katwire Karamuzi yaryo yashaba abanya Uganda okundi hangari yabo kandi nababana begita ombyo butegeje no bwebembezi kandi yagumizamu yasima mu bembezi w'ihangari ya Uganda wekitinisa wereka kuta 7 to haburwa ahabo kurwanisa obushumankuzi no burubwenguzi katubirebe.
Bwanyuma ya Ministry rukura ya mukuru w'ihanga ya Uganda ojete Ministry of Presidency rukebemero wekinisa Mary Babalanda okurgayo kandi bakareta entekateka yo kugira ngo batekeho uryo muhwezi wori omuzwekerwa mukuru w'ihanga ya Uganda umwete assistant wa RDC ningashi assistant wa RCC ekintecho kikiza cyagamsaho abanyarwanda binji konkani kitangaza kandi kishire enshongejo ikagumiza muyaza omungora mbwenwe ubahire bwa assistant RCC omurembo orwambara wekitinisa Katwire Paul Karamuzi rizoba byaba ine omunyamakuru witu ari kumugambira okuyana bamuhereza obwa assistant RCC obwo yargeno kushekera abona bari kujyangwe no wa PRU kandi tashime kuba na ba assistant RCC
nangena kutangariza abantu bitu kugira ngo PRU it is not political party. It is a civic organization in aims and objectives. Ezimwe ne patriotism, nebin cross corruption, nebin so actually I'm very lucky kugira ngo at least the office of the RDC umugabo kubanza nashe kintu kimwe no kumontaringa government programs amno kwanza corruption amno kurebuze sente zona za government zazo mu government and PRU the once corruption munong is against corruption nenda kuyamba Uganda irango Uganda abantu bitu batonga service delivery abantu bitu batonga obuhereza abantu benguzi babe exposed.
Katwire Paul Karamuzi ergeno kushobora ngo PRU kiri kibina kibyo buteje kinke bina ebindi ngo yihireho ne kibina amwena ne kigombe ningashiye kitongole ekirukwenda kubutura okundi hanga ryanyu rya Uganda amwena nebyo ebizubu ebikwambiteganisa abanya Uganda okugira ngo babukoreho batajire kuza umurwari na n'uruhuzyo
dede bindi byo kujya gwanyuma byo kwesimba nebyo guru ntibiza kwisha because we say General Mosque Nirgaba is what? Standby generator. His Excellency President Seven now, and the next president is who? According to us, abako bring one period you. Then abo ine abanda abantu bari harabasha kugira ngo ngwati itwe the president Seven ko araize kurgaho nsakureta nanga. We don't mind. Uganda is a democracy country. Practicing a democracy and we believe in numbers. You get my point? So now, ngenda kumuriza abantu banje mwena ntakagira nkabanya point ingire kandi ngwate ya period nakubire kandi nangwa arimo kuza kubarakira kimwe muza gukora. As we talk now, tegereze the committees ziti za period mu Uganda yone kudengu zaza batunga abantu bito mu districts, batunga regional committees, county committees, batunga na parish committees, amana state committees. Once all those committees are in place, you will see Uganda neza kuba transformed, because nizakishanga twashomesa abantu bitu barwo mboro, abantu bitu twashomesa kundi hanga ryabo, umuntu yana kundi hanga rye na arfera na arguma utakurekura kandi takugese takuyibanguze takuyibasenda za government.
Ahantu ho katwire pole yargeye no kwabara abanyarwanda ngo bine kwata jemhozi kinerwaba ngwakuba no mweyo mbantu abariyo mbarwanisa enguzi yo mihangari ya Uganda.
Akagamba staff be abari Mr. President yindu muhateji abona sethouse abakugese abarbenguzi yagira ngo rode ngo atanatunga rumazi ungato ngo abere convince bagire bata and most of them that have been identified. Yaka yagira ngo Minister of Finance mu brokers nabakoraga na members of parliament ibesendeza yagira ngo nabo bonka bari identified yabamanyire endugambira members of parliament amu babere summoned by the police. His Excellency the President, he has fought many wars. And I think as we talk now, as it is interest, you kubanza soboro we home band abantu bito we should be in vision 2040. You get my point? So at pene pene tarible ya yo kubanza ya corruption. Kandi corruption ege niye kimwerete irabantu bitu obutariko ngoro because esente nyingi za government zekurekura kusembi yabantu dibugira start dibukikaye.
Assistant RCC Austin Saka twire pole yargeyo no kugamba hanshonga ya mukuru w'ihangariye Uganda yagambireho obwaba naganiraho ni hangariye hanshonga yo burwenguzi ari kujyangwa bakorye nguzi nabamanya ngumwenu na iza kubarwanisa. Aha katwire pole no yargayo akagira ngo Museveni na mwesiga ekintu eki na iza kuchikoraho kurungi
konka na yese bakamurebya yuda ishaka toka girata akamurebya. So no mwigana mwihangare tunemba yuda bengi so tuwo cyatandika kikatandikira nankai na higro. So His Excellency the President is disappointed because many of us because abocation zagamento tabanta bahari n'abantu abo muhinguririza n'abantu abo in appointments kandi appointments are very strong because abantu abo appointment bukiye byabo batakuziba kwa takuzirebaho konka kiko nagambira abanyayiganda mwena corruption netandikira ngai it starts even from home netandikira muka ukaro mshinja wagenzere no mwana agende kwetsimba kagenda sweets aba head boy umuzire agenda mwana yagura wasitse ngwaseze abana batero igine corruption. Hata mwana wa mtandikisaho kumangu kwareza ka sweet bamteraka wari mwana muto wa nasare what do you think kija kurata honi? So it is a combination no kwere ngwita Uganda na stwena kwa tansa ba ukora katimwe
ahabwa GNTV yagarukosya ariho open na Clinton nawe mjomba omurembo rwambarara.
Twagumizamu polisi wahati heino mungaro zayo 10 agashuma runkunku agarakumanywa nka Bahati Chiseka hamwe na Bugaya Edwin abantu bagambwa kwa bakorise embunde y'ekika kya pisto bakibe bintu nyamwingi kandi bakwasurwe bine MP ziri kwingana miliyoni 1.5 y'eshiringi za Uganda maski nangwa n'ebindi bintu byinshi katubirebe.
2 suspects who were arrested in Webaji. And we are happy because the victim, identified as Mbadiremo Maria, a mobile money dealer, aged 28 and shop owner in Weber Jasel, managed to, she made the disturbance call to our police at Weber CPS. Using the police counter number. You know, we've been encouraging the public, please make use of the police counter numbers. They can help you in case of an emergency. So this was a victim who is a mobile money dealer, had her shop open up to 11 p.m. and she was attacked by an armed thug who had a pistol and robbed about 3 million shillings from her. And after the incident, she immediately called the police at Wevaja, and we responded to the scene. We managed to arrest one of the residents called Bugaya Edwin, aged 20, who was a personal friend to the shop, to the victim. But at the same time, on further investigations, we established that Bugaya Edwin had connived had actually connived with the Bahati Chiseka, aged 27, a thug who was in possession of the pistol. So upon arresting Bugaya, we interrogated him, and he led us to the arrest of Bahati Chiseka. We managed to recover the unmarked pistol, which we established that Chiseka smuggled into the country from South Sudan, where he was working. So he returned with this pistol so that it can facilitate their criminal enterprise. It appears this was their first incident of robbery, because they were both amateurs in the way they conducted the robbery. We managed to recover, in addition to the unmarked pistol, we recovered 1.5 million, a black jumper, a hood, face masks. When we recovered their phones, we got to supporting messages about the conspiracy to rob Mbadiremo Maria. And so we are happy that Maria really made good use of the police counter numbers. The system works very well. And we also want to urge the public that however much the situation is, investing in a criminal enterprise is very, very wrong. There are consequences like these two now, being charged for being in possession of an illegal firearm, robbery and conspiracy, among others. Now these two suspects we are talking about are these two young gentlemen, the way you can see, still young and trying to use, they managed to acquire a pistol, smuggled it from South Sudan so that they can use it in crime. The pistol that we recovered is here, that they had smuggled from South Sudan, and which is very wrong.
Babare mnonga agongoto abatuine omwabazi ogu ntaka gahendire ikirizangareke nkwijusye ebyaba byembire hagarukosi.
Garukosi yarizoba omukozi wa GNTV ADB the Entertainer otuire engure y'omwaka yarge asima bamuterira karuru hamwe n'abatekanise mpaka
n'amashemerwa mingi munonga kushanga ninye natorimwe kushanga ninye kwebembera aba presenters bona ba Western Uganda ningashi media personality of the year nisima kuyo muweno wa vote ngire mukama komugisha Viga Awards abarisireze mpaka mu Western Uganda. Thank you so much also uyu mu wa vote ngire kushobora mukama kwimotoka mu mazima
Oriyo na leta ikitekateko cyo kubinga aba commission abana abaru Mathias Mpuga abatuire sente z'ukwingana kaumbi kamwe na miliyoni rushanju kubingwa parliament owechinza Theodore Sechikubo yarwe yashomera abantu abacico mwishengera batireho mukono acandikweje.
We have the Honorable Wandwasi Robert, the MP Bungoko North. We have the Honorable Mude Isaac, the MP Rusheshe. We have the Honorable Galiwango Koni, the woman member of parliament Mbale City.
Omuchicho mwishenjero ahabwa abantu bakila municipality ochitinsa Ibrahim Semujunganda yahereze enshonga ahabwe enchatatire mukono achandikwecha.
The money for which the censor motion is being signed was passed by Parliament. I sit on the Committee on Legal and Parliamentary Affairs. You need to ask the chairperson of that committee and vice if in April 2023 they did not pass that money.
Amoni tumgarukosi akando ngota wasakwantu gahendera bati korabe wafeirwa ningaunda kureba go na makuru gagenda kurunji genda YouTube yitu GNTV Uganda no ijakuba no yitunjira garukosi ya ombujwire de Eva sakangwasa mukama murunji abankomere.